go have a talk with Mother Nature, okay?
Just go outside. Hey, nature, you suck.
Hey, Nature, you know what?
The fuck
You wanna go and talk?
You two cracking me up here.
I want grain, okay? I put that goddamn bean on the ground and it never grew.
Because you were supposed to put sun and rain on it.
Well, why don't you do the goddamn business?
Why don't you freaking?
Oh.
Why don't you freaking show yourself? Just be useful.
Oh, hey, this guy. This guy's on the live stream chat.
I actually show myself in the movie on Moana.
Yeah. Yeah, I got Brick and Winks with me, Sky. We're just having a good time.
No!
Sky, what are you doing with your life?
Find a charger!
Like, jump out the window and run to the closest Best Buy or like freaking run to a Best Buy, grab a charger, run home, be like, I got it.
I think if I was thinking of ending the stream now, that would be the best closing line for the stream.
Everybody, we're just gonna end the stream just because Cole was negligent and Cole didn't find a charger.
No, I know what Cole should call this stream. You should make like one of those clickbait streams, like, I stole a charger from Best Buy because I needed to charge my tablet.
We're like, hello.
I wouldn't do that. I
We're
wouldn't.
gonna be like, hello, we're Best Buy. How will we help you? I mean, like a charger
Take
right now.
a